Welcome back to New Lucid. Today we'll be taking a look at the Quartz switches, an interesting new long pole linear. This was sent to us by QuartZ for review, but as always that will not affect our opinion or statements in any way. Let's get into the specs. Quartz switches are a JWK linear designed by QuartZ with a translucent pink housing and white stem. They come with a moderate 63.5 gram spring. The top housing is made of a polycarb and nylon blend, and the bottom housing of a custom polyamide blend. The stem is made of P3, which is a proprietary JWK white blend. They're PCB mounted, and like all JWK linears, should benefit from films. Unlubed and factory lubed variants both sell for 63 cents on DanKeeps. So since Quartz switches are technically a JWK linear, we're going to compare them to another JWK linear, Alpacas. Quartz's have quite an interesting material selection, so I wonder if their sound signature is going to be similar to other standard JWK linears. So they're not really all too different in terms of sound. Lubing took away the pretty loud spring ping and also helped reduce the plasticky noise, but not completely. The Alpacas are very slightly higher pitched, but it's not too big of a difference. In terms of feel, I am actually really surprised. Being JWKs, I expected them to be fairly close to what I was used to, but these are actually really smooth, even smoother than my banana splits. Compared to tangerines, they basically match, and similarly don't feel sluggish at all after being lubed. Of course, this is likely thanks to the unique material selection of the switch. And also, these are long pole linears, so they don't bottom out as far as regular linears. In my testing, this effect is pretty noticeable, but ultimately up to your personal preference. It will also help get rid of north-facing cherry profile keycap interference, so if you're building a north-facing PCB, this could be a selling point. The stem wobble looks really well controlled, only slightly worse than Holy Bubba's, which are excellently controlled. Since these are JWKs though, I would still always recommend filming just to get that extra bit of consolidation. Finally, 63 cents per switch is pretty mid-level for switch pricing and is about the same price for Alpacas, depending on where you get them from. If you enjoy the smoothness of tangerines and the sound of JWKs, Quartz switches are an excellent choice. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching this episode of New Lucid. If you liked this video, drop a thumbs up. If you have feedback or questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'd be more than happy to answer. Also, these videos take lots of work. By subscribing, you're letting us know that you want us to keep making them. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys later.